Hello and welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see how to make hash brown casserole loaded with cheese, bacon and eggs, which is super easy to make and tastes delicious. So let's get started with the recipe. And here I have taken 4 eggs into which I'll be adding 100 ml of milk, and we'll season this with some salt as per taste, a pinch of black pepper and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Now whisk all the ingredients well until they are well combined, and our egg solution is ready. And here in this bowl I have taken 4 large potatoes and shredded in this way. Next we need to heat a pan, and into it we will fry some bacon strips in its own fat until they are crisp and golden brown. Keep the flame on medium. Now flip the bacon strips. And by now our bacon strips are ready, crisp and golden brown. So I will take them off and keep them aside in a plate. We will discard some of the excess fat, and now into the pan goes 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Then goes 1 medium onion which has been finely chopped, some diced yellow, red and green bell peppers, and on medium flame we will saute them well until the garlic and onions turn golden brown and aromatic. Next goes the shredded potatoes into the pan, and on medium to high flame we will saute them for 2 to 3 minutes until the color of the potatoes changes. And now we will quickly season it with some salt as per taste, a pinch of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of mixed herbs, and some paprika powder as per your spice level. Now mix this well, and we will saute them for another 1 minute so that the seasonings are well combined with the potatoes. And our base for the casserole is ready now. Next, drizzle some olive oil in an oven safe dish and brush it on all the sides of the pan. Now layer the base of the pan with the sauteed potatoes and veggies. We will spread the filling evenly in the pan. And now we'll add lots of cheese. I am adding here Cheddar and Parmesan cheese, but you can add any other cheese of your choice. And on top of the cheese, we will add the crisp fried bacon strips cut into small portions. Alright, and now we will pour the prepared egg solution evenly on all the sides of the pan. So assembling is done, and now we will bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes or until it's done. And friends, after 30 minutes our loaded hash brown casserole is now ready to be served. And friends, this casserole is not just easy to make but tastes delicious too, and you can prepare this in advance when you have guests at home. And there it goes, our loaded hash brown casserole to be enjoyed. So friends, I hope you will try this interesting recipe soon. Also share your feedbacks, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so for more yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.